Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. If you find today's video informative or entertaining, don't forget to smash that lovely like button. Helps get the video out to more people. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Today we're talking high dividend stocks. Now we're going thick and fast, as thick as me, and a lot faster. Made you laugh? Hit the subscribe like button. Now, first one is AB, Alliance Bernstein. They're an asset management company. They have PE ratio of 8, which is very low. You'd normally have to be very worried with that. But they give out 95% in dividend, which you'd be worried about, but they tend to keep enough cash on hand, run their business and grow. A lot of asset management companies are floundering at the moment, but they expect earnings to be higher this year than previous years. They give a dividend of 11%. That's the first one. Now, the next one, I've been asked about oil tanker stocks. I've been asked to stop going on about DHT and Frontline, and to come up with some other ones. So, Navios Maritime Acquisition Corporation. Now this is purely dividend. Like the other ones are 25% dividend, and it should be improving. 1st of June it goes ex-dividend. Problem with this is 4.89, value should be about $4. But where it is better is, unlike the others, it's less volatile. If you see here, you know, it's a less volatile company than the other oil tanker stocks. Seems to be more stable. Another oil tanker stock, Euronav. Spoke about this in the past. It has come down recently from, but it is a volatile one, like most oil tanker stocks are. Now it's showing dividend there of 11%. We know it's going to be a lot higher than that because it has the dividend. It's going to be more like 30%. Has the dividend from final dividend from last December, and as well as that, it has the profit from selling a tanker, and that was incredible business. As we said, after 10 years a tanker loses half its value. After 20 years a tanker loses the value by half again, and then they have to pay $1 million to get a survey done on it. They have sold a second-hand tanker for more than what a new tanker would cost, for more than 1.5 times the value. Brilliant piece of business. The profit will go into the dividend. Not all of it, but some of it. And that's why it's at 30%. So don't expect that 30% dividend every quarter. You never know. They may do more business next quarter and they may have a rolling 30%, but I wouldn't expect it. However, Euronav, as I said, their CEO can do some brilliant business. They know how to do business, but for some reason it's not run as well as the other two companies that I've been asked not to mention. Now, UNM Group, for want of a better word, it has dropped heavily, and it was 35, so it's a growth stock and a dividend stock, so you have a chance to double your money if you wait for growth. Meanwhile, you've got a 7% dividend. I expect that dividend to be improved. Now if we go to, sorry about this, if we go to trading 212 and put it in. Yeah, 7.54. But from what I've heard, the dividend is going to be increased by a lot more than that. Now, that isn't gospel, that is just rumours, and we don't trade off rumours, we trade off a reaction, and we hope that you see the dividend per share was increased last time, and they're looking to increase it again. It's basically insurance, and while insurance has been hit, they actually give life insurance, which a lot of people are taking out now. They give critical illness, which costs a lot of money, I know. And then I know everyone are not giving employment insurance now, but you get companies employing these as a perk, a disability insurance. Yeah, I think this is a good company to go into. It's got a P ratio 2.7 and the dividend yield is 7. I mean, come on, it's almost a no-brainer. Yeah, it's a net income of 1.1 billion and debt to assets is 85%, which is on the high side, but it has been dropping today in the last day. But you see in the last week, that's because it has risen. I think it's worth a gamble. Don't put all your money in it, because I'm not a financial advisor. And have a look at it. Now, our last stock is going to be a dividend aristocrat, and it's AT&T. I bought these when they were 28 and sold them when they were 30, and I had that in the back of my mind. Why would I sell AT&T? It's a dividend aristocrat, and it gives a 7% dividend. Now, I sold it after the dividend, and after the ex-dividend date, and once it hit 30, so I made $2 a share on my income, and I put that into Raytheon Technology, where I ended up making dividend and then and a profit, and then I put that into Walgreen Boots, where I made dividend and profit. And I've gone from long-term investor to day trader the last couple of weeks, and then I bought Raytheon again and I made more profit. The thing is, at this price, I'm going to go back in. At this point, I haven't bought any, because you know my policy. I do a video, I let you guys know at the same point I'm going into them, so then we can track it together. So then I'm not going to buy a load of shares, let you know, so you can bump the price up or whatever, or send it down, because the amount of subscribers I've got isn't going to do anything to the share price. You know that. I'm grateful for every subscriber I have. It's now up at 26. Let's get to 50. And I just don't understand why anyone would not go into AT&T. Share price has dropped. I'd like it to be around the 28 mark where I was before, and I think they're going to be good with the 5G. Next time, if they hit 28, I'm going to pick up a couple of shares at this price. If they hit 28, I'm going to go into them quite hard and long and just leave them there this time. Now, what do you think of my picks? Are you happy with them? Do you agree with them? Do you disagree with them? Let me know in the comments below. I know the two tanker stocks were not the normal ones I go for, but that's because someone said I'm always flatting DHT and front line, and for me to do one on different tanker stocks, I don't want to keep doing the same ones so that you guys get bored and then stop watching. I want to give you guys what you want. So this is a dividend only video. I hope you found it informative, and let me know if you haven't, or if you have. Don't forget to smash that lovely like button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.